How is your English? Let's find out. We all say it's very simple or I made a mistake. But can you say it like a native? Let's learn our practical idioms today with our puzzle. And don't skip, we have a short quiz at the end of the video. And let's see how many you remember. Ready? Let's go. Number one, we say it when we say something is very easy or super easy. It's a piece of. That's great. It's a piece of cake. When we want to say that something is definitely easy and it is not difficult to do. Now, let's say it in the example. Don't worry, learning English is a piece of cake. Number two is this. When you call someone and you want to meet him and talk together, you hear it all the time in English. We usually say, let's meet today. But what is the idiom that we want to learn today? Listen. Let's catch up soon. Or let's catch up today. We always say, let's meet today. But in the native English, learning or speaking, we say, let's catch up today. And our example is this. Let's catch up after the class. Or, who would you like to catch up this weekend? All right, the next one is a situation that we all hate. Let's go. Let's see if you guess this one. In a bad situation, we always say, I make a mistake. So, what's the idiom? Go. That's true. I messed up. When you make a mistake, we say, I messed up or I made a mistake. Now, let's see the example. Sorry, I messed up the plan again. I made a mistake again. Number four is very useful. We use it and we say it when we are listening and we are interested in the topic. Let's see. For example, we say, I'm listening. Tell me what happened. And tell me what the idiom is. Thank you. I'm all ears. I'm all ears. It means that I'm listening and I'm interested in the topic. Let's see the example. Tell me what happened. I'm all ears. And we use number five when we don't know the answer. Somebody comes to ask you a question, but you don't know. What do you say? Exactly. Not sure yet. Somebody invites you for a walk and you don't know. And you tell him, not sure yet. Maybe I'll call you later. In this case, if you don't know, you don't say, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I'll let you know later this afternoon. So, number six. Can you say I'm tired in a more natural way? Let's see. Thank you. I'm beat. You say this when you are totally tired. Let's see in the example. I have worked all the day. I'm beat. It means that you are very tired and you cannot move. Go to sleep. Let's move on to number seven. This one is super common. We use it all day or every day in our English conversations. How do you say you don't understand something? Excellent. I don't get it. We don't say I don't understand it. I don't get it. What's the example? We say, could you explain it again, please? I don't get it. It's more natural, short, and casual, friendly to use. And number eight, when something is great and you agree with someone, somebody invites you or gives you an offer, it looks good to you. How do you use this one in the idiom? Yes, that's right. Sounds great. Let's see it in our example. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Wow, sounds great. Yes, it is very simple and positive. And our last one. All the native speakers use this one. How do you say let me know? Super easy. It's a piece of cake. We say hit me up. Let's see this in the example. Uh, Hit me up if you are free at the weekend. Let me know if you are free at the weekend. Thanks for watching and learning our idioms. But wait, we have a short quiz and I'm gonna see how many you remember. Ready? Let's go. Number one, when something is very easy, what do you say? How do you say it like a native? Perfect. It's a piece of cake. This one, you haven't seen your friend for a long time and you want to see and talk together. How do you tell him? Exactly true. Let's catch up. This one, you made a mistake. Oops. That's right. I messed up. You messed up. This one, when you listen or you are listening to me carefully, you say, I'm all ears. Very good. And the last one, when you don't understand something, how do you ask somebody to explain it again and you don't understand it? Definitely true. I don't get it. Can you explain it again? Thanks for being with us today. We learned idioms and we practiced them. Please remember to subscribe us if you want to have more interesting English videos like this. For idioms, for grammar, new vocabulary, and mostly those vocabulary for beginner learners. And remember to visit our website if you want to have online lessons. The first lesson is free. Yes, don't forget it. Bye.